To grow rosemary from seed, start the seeds indoors in midwinter, 10 to 12 weeks before the last frost. Fill a seed starting tray with soilless potting mix, such as vermiculite or perlite. Sprinkle 3 to 4 dry rosemary seeds on each compartment in the tray. Then lightly mist the seeds with just enough water to help them stick to the surface of the growth medium. Dust the seeds with a thin layer of regular potting soil and mist the trays again. Enough so that the soil is damp, but not soggy. Cover the tray with a plastic growing dome or a sheet of plastic wrap to trap moisture and heat. Place the tray in a warm, sunny location, such as in a window that gets direct sunlight. Try to maintain a temperature of around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, in the spot where you keep the trays. Anytime the soil on top starts to dry out, mist it lightly with water. The seeds should start to germinate in 15 to 25 days. Once the seedlings are about 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters tall, transplant them into pots or directly into the ground in a spot where they will get full sun 6 to 8 hours a day. Choose a spot with well-drained soil and plant the seedlings in rows about 18 inches, 46 centimeters apart. Water your plants every time the soil at the surface starts to dry out.